So here with me, I have these glitter dumpling squishies that I got for my daughter. She's actually been asking me to get these for the longest time, and we finally got them on Amazon, and they just got delivered today. So I asked her to let me review them. In fact, let me do an unboxing video for you guys first before she claims them. So we're going to unbox them together. Packaging is really cute. Comes in this box right here. Tells you it's a sensory fidget toy. Also reminds you not to eat them, even though they honestly look like dumplings. My daughter is in charge here. We've just opened the box and she is going to help me open a few of them. We're not going to show you every single one because we want to leave a little surprise for you. But let's take out a couple so you can see maybe the different colors or what they look like. Now, what she has here is the blue in color. There's all this glitter on it. They seem super soft, she says. And I love that they slowly bounce back after you squeeze them, which makes them really satisfying to play with. That's the whole idea, right? And they all come in this little dumpling steamer box, which will be great for storage. Pick another color. Let's see what color we're going to get here. What I like is that they all come in different colors. And again, like I said, they have their little case to store them in. So here we have like a lemon yellow color. They are fun to squeeze and they're really cute. Honestly, I kind of want to keep one for myself. So if you're looking for a fun sensory toy, birthday gift, or just something cute for kids who love squishes, I think this set is a lot of fun. I just love how they feel. And to be very fair, I think these not only just work for kids, but for adults too. There's that thing that it does to my mind when I'm squishing them. Back into this little steamer container for storage. And you get a set of 12 with this listing. And these ones that we have are the smiling ones. I know they also have a classic set. So what we have is the smiling set. So far, these are mom approved. Get them for your kids, for yourself. You can give them as a gift. I think they would also make great party favors, classroom favors. Go ahead and hit the like button if you are going to be grabbing these.